Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years, and I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, will AI kill direct mail? And the answer to that, in my opinion, is no. Okay, all the hype online is all about AI. Everybody's talking about AI, and you know, me personally, I like AI. I know that there's a negative side to it, but if you're in the network marketing space, it's a real game changer for lots of different reasons. And I think that as long as they keep everything under control, which we don't know the future of it, I think it's a good thing. Until I see it, more negative side effects to it, I'm going to continue to use it and enjoy it because like I said, it's a game changer to me, and it's a game changer to anybody that owns a business if you know how to use it properly. But that's another video. Personally, I do not think that AI is going to kill direct mail, and there's many different reasons for that. The first is AI cannot replace a physical product, at least not yet. And I don't think that you'll see that anytime in the near future. So people are still going to continue to send out mail, and people are still going to continue to love getting mail because people love getting tangible things that they can hold, touch, and see, right? And so direct mail, in my opinion, isn't going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, I doubt that it's going to go anywhere in our lifetime. Because it's been around since the 1800s, and it's still, in my opinion, the best way to get your offer in front of eyeballs, okay? Because online is just overloaded with, it's just an overload, information overload. Everybody's fighting to get clicks and views and, have their ads seen and all that stuff. Meanwhile, 95% of people will, if you send out a mailing, 100 pieces of mail, 95% of those people are going to see that piece of mail that you send out. It doesn't mean they're all going to open it. It doesn't mean that they're all going to look at it and join your opportunity, but 95% on average is going to see your piece of mail. All right. And that other 5% is simply because 5% of the population is always moving at any one time. All right. So just say 5 pieces out of every 100 that you mail out are not going to, make it to the intended recipient, but you're still getting a 95%, rate of people looking at your mail, right? And I know for me personally, I'm not interested in joining any new programs right now, but I get lots of different direct mail pieces every single week, and you know what? I open every single one of them because you just never know what's inside it. Right? So it's a great way, in my opinion, it's the best way to get people to see your opportunity. It has massive return on investments if done the right way, and it integrates very well with digital marketing. All right? Because what I do is I send out my opportunities, and then that opportunity takes people over to my sales system that does all the selling and telling for me. And that's the digital part of it. So I'm using the direct mail to get eyeballs onto my opportunity, which sends people over to my sales pages that do all the selling and telling for me. And it's just a system that works. I mean, I've been doing this now for a long time, and it just flat out works. In fact, I've tripled my income since I started doing direct mail marketing. All right. So you get very good conversion rates if you have a strong enough product and you want to build your brand, because people join people. So obviously you want people to know who you are, and you can still, just mail out postcards, letters, and flyers and get good results. But it's always best to build your brand because people join people ultimately, right? It doesn't matter what product or service that you're doing, people join people. So if you're somebody that resonates, with the viewer, that viewer is going to more than likely join you if you have something that they want, or a product or service that they can use, right? So there's an overload online. Everybody's fighting for everyone's attention. You know, humans nowadays have the mind or the attention span of a goldfish, which is less than 5 seconds. So unless you're capturing somebody's attention really, really well, most ads online, they get overlooked. Most emails sent out, they never get opened. But with physical mail, it's going to be, you know, people are going to hold it in their hands and look at it, you know, and it just works. It just works. I mean, I do this every day. I mail out letters. I eat, sleep, and breathe marketing. Okay. In fact, I'm here at the soap shop right now. I'm going to pack up some orders, and then I'm going to go to the post office. And then this afternoon, I have coaching calls because I eat, sleep, and breathe direct mail marketing and, you know, helping people generate mailbox money. That's what I love to do. It's my true passion. So I don't think AI is going to kill direct mail, you know, and when you learn how to use both AI and direct mail, it's just a winning combination, because AI, there's lots of positive things. I mean, content creation. You can write sales letters. You can write sales pages. You can write email follow-up series. I mean, everything that you need, AI can do for you on the digital side. Right? So when you combine, you know, direct mail with digital marketing using AI, I mean, there's no better time to be starting your own business online and start building your own empire than today, with all the tools that we have at our disposal. And lazy marketers, you're going to be left behind. All right? You're going to be left behind. I'm just telling you that right now. All the action takers, all the people learning to use AI the right way and combining it with direct mail, you can build an empire. You know, I can't guarantee you'll make any money because it's all based on your work ethic, but the action takers, you can build an empire. Hands down. Hands down. So direct mail is evolving. It's not dying. It's not going anywhere. AI is not going to affect it negatively in any way, shape, or form. And like I said, if you learn how to use AI for the digital side and then use that in conjunction with direct mail, the sky's the limit. I mean, the sky is absolutely the limit. So, but mailbox money still works in 2025. I don't see it going anywhere. I think it's going to be around for many, 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 many years and decades to come. I don't think it's going to be replaced anytime soon. So, with that being said, if you are looking for an opportunity, or you need coaching, or you want to, you know, start building your own empire, you can go to joinruss.com. All right, joinruss.com. Check out what I have to offer. You can join my newsletter there. I have a 60-minute coaching call. I have a 30-day momentum coaching program, and you can see my opportunities that I'm a part of right there. So, with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Take action.